In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the WP Travel Engine footer in WordPress for the year 2025. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or fairly new to the platform, tidying up the layout of your website can make a significant difference in its overall look and professionalism. Specifically, we're going to guide you through the process of removing that WP Travel Engine footer, which by default appears on your website, ensuring a cleaner and more customized presentation for your visitors. First off, we're going to begin with logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing the backend of your website, where you can manage content, customize themes, and make sure every part of your site is functioning smoothly. Once you're logged in, the interface may seem a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry. We'll focus on just a few specific areas today. Next, let's navigate to the Appearance section. Here, you're looking to hover over or click directly on Appearance, and from the menu that drops down, select Customize. This tool is incredibly powerful, offering a range of options to tailor your site's style and functionality to better fit your needs and preferences. The WordPress Customizer provides a live review, so you can see any changes you make in real time before they go live on your site. Once you're in the Customizer, direct your attention towards the Additional CSS section. At this point, you're moving into a slightly more advanced area of WordPress, dealing with CSS, the code that styles what your site looks like. Here, you get the opportunity to add custom CSS to override or add to your existing theme styles. It's especially useful when you want to make precise changes that aren't available through the standard options of your theme. Now, let's introduce the CSS code to hide the footer. You will need to type or paste in the following CSS code: p footer. Display none. This small snippet is incredibly powerful. Essentially, you're telling the web page to hide or not display this section within your browser. Adding the CSS code will ensure that the WP Travel Engine footer is no longer visible on your website. After you've entered the code, the next crucial step is to click Publish. This will save the changes you've made and apply them to your website. You'll find the Publish button at the top of the Customizer window, making it easy to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Once published, your WordPress site will apply these changes. Finally, refresh your website to confirm that the footer has been successfully hidden. This is an important check to make sure everything looks as expected. A quick refresh reloads all changes and displays what your visitors will see. If all has gone according to plan, you should now have a seamless footer-free page, making your site look cleaner and more professional. Remember, small details like these can make a big difference in user experience and site aesthetics. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.